Right now, little marketing advice for the last 15 people here before we do have to go. People are not interested in buying a house right now. People are not interested in selling their houses right now. They're interested in Thanksgiving and Christmas, and that is it for the next 2-3 months, foreseeable future. What I recommend you folks do when it comes to advertising, focus heavily on customized blog pages about specified areas, about the special things that are happening, and focus more on creating content for your website during this slow period. It's ideal for you. Google will see you adding content to the site, and your SEO will be rewarded because of it. And in the event, and you're not blowing money, you're not burning through your wallets trying to just get these lists of properties going out with nobody really coming in and giving you a lead. So when you do decide to do an advertisement, a giveaway is probably more ideal in this time. Hey, are you interested in selling your home? I'll give you a free CMA report with your choice of a pumpkin or apple pie for Thanksgiving. The other thing as well, if you are focused on lists, you do want to do a list of properties, focus in on football. Everybody's a football fan. Super Bowl is right around the corner. Home in on, toxic masculinities need to be the best. Are you embarrassed about your entertainment space? Well, check out these top 10 list of properties with finished basements for the next big game. That's a great advertisement to run. Target those football team fans on Facebook, and you've got yourself a winning advertisement. Same thing for soccer. The MLS is going on right now. What else? Is there anything? A couple fights are happening. So yeah, sports fans right now are, it's sports season, so it's a good one to target for sure. The other thing as well, a diamond pendant giveaway always works, a gift card for Christmas, something like that. We had a really great individual who had the brilliant idea of creating the top 10 Christmas light displays. It wasn't even related to real estate. The dude generated 200 leads, sold a couple houses because of it, and ended up being on his local news station because of the great advertisement that he created. And he did it all through EasyAgentPro. So definitely take advantage of that as well. So stick with what's going on in your community, stick with the market, and you guys should be rocking and rolling. You should be good to go.